welcome to my channel Education for Kids. So a very simple way, today we will learn some birds name and some insect name. So if you like this video, then subscribe this channel and watch full video. ostrich, ostrich. woodpecker, woodpecker. sparrow, sparrow. crow, crow. eagle, eagle. penguin, penguin. pigeon, pigeon. manna. parrot, parrot. peacock. Let's start poem. Enjoy.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
I hope you enjoy this poem. Let's start insect name. cricket, cricket. cockroach, cockroach. housefly, housefly. butterfly, butterfly. dragonfly. honeybee, honeybee. caterpillar. snail, snail. spider. lizard. So, if you enjoyed this video, then like, share and subscribe.
Have a nice day.